In the previous video, I showed how you can use the plot history package to store all your figures. In that video, I showed how to store all these figures in a temporary directory which gets deleted at the end of the session, which is arguably not very useful. So let's do the same thing now, but this time let's store all our figures in a central cache directory. This cache directory can be accessed with the phis cache directory. So this time let's start the plot history, but with this cache directory. On my computer, it's located in my home directory .cache.r plot history. And as always, the HTTP graphics device deals with all the background work. What you can see here on the top right, in the top right frame, is the content of this cache directory. And as you can see, I have already created quite a few figures. And the last one, the default figure when you start plot history, is the one at the very top, 616b, and it's pointed to by the .last.svg symbolic link. Let's create another figure now, maybe rnorm 10. And the new figure that was created is this one, 53b, still pointed by .last.svg. Now I'm going to create a new figure that is not based on random values. And this figure is stored in file ab77f that is always pointed by .last.svg. And by the way, the last figure is always visualized here at the bottom left. If now I regenerate plot 1 to 10, nothing actually happens in my cache directory because the figure containing plot 1 to 10 already exists. It's AB7, and it's always pointed to by .last.svg. Of course, if now I regenerate a new figure that hasn't been produced yet, for example, the one that visualizes 1,000 random values, in that case, a new figure is generated, ABA, pointed by last.svg and visualized here on this panel.